If I help y'all in any kind of way, like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate y'all watching my video. Without further ado, I have everything hooked up already. I got the scanner hooked up to the OBD2 port, and as you can see, it's saying live data, view live data right now. So let's get right into this. So basically, I'm gonna click on this and we're gonna go into live data. All right, I'm gonna stroll down. Like I say, this give you a lot of information to scan to. All right, here we go. This let me stroll down a little more for y'all. All right here, the first one say O2 sensor bank 1 sensor 1, and then right underneath that is basically telling you the percentage of it, and bank 2, and then well, underneath that, bank O2 sensor bank 1 sensor 2. So basically, the top one, bank 1 sensor 1, is the upstream, and bank 1 sensor 2 is downstream. And as you can see, these numbers over here fluctuating. It should always go above and below 0.500. So if it's fluctuating above them numbers, your O2 sensor is reading correctly. That's for the top one, basically. If these numbers here are just reading out 0, then you know your O2 sensor isn't working at all, and you're gonna get a engine code stating that your O2 sensor isn't working. Now, there's other ways to check it. You can also, if you feel like your O2 sensor isn't working, all you got to do is unplug it, start the vehicle, and see what happened. If no change made, then obviously it's bad. So this is just a quick video and let y'all see how they work.